How to scan from an HP printer using HP Smart for macOS. HP has recently updated the scan process for Mac computers to create an improved and streamlined experience. On your Mac, open the HP Smart app. If you don't have HP Smart installed, you can download it for free from 123.hp.com or from the Apple Store. If you have multiple printers added to HP Smart, select the printer you want to use. On your printer, place the original document or photo on the scanner glass or in the automatic document feeder if your printer has one. Use the guides for correct placement. Click the printer scan tile. A preview of the scan appears when the scan tile is clicked. You can turn it off if you don't want the auto preview by selecting the wand icon in the top right and disabling the auto preview switch. This is only a preview image for reference, and not the scan itself. Options such as save and share are not available for the preview image. You must click the scan option to complete the scan. Before you click scan, however, you can adjust the scan settings. From the menu on the right, change the scanner, source, preset, output, page size, and resolution options based on your preferences. In addition to your scanner, you can also add image files using the import option. The preset option is especially helpful for optimizing the output based on the item that you are scanning. In addition to the standard photo and document scanning options, new items are available if you have activated HP Plus, like text extract, multi-item, book, and ID card. The text extract option pulls text from the item being scanned and adds it into a document that you can edit. This feature is helpful if you want to lift the text from a page and edit it. The text extract feature only works for printed text and not handwriting. The multi-item option allows you to easily scan multiple items, which you can scan at the same time, and the app can separate it out into individual items. This can be especially handy for scanning a group of receipts, photos, or mixed content, for example. You can then save as individual items or individual pages into a single document. The book scan option is optimized to scan pages out of a book and flatten it so that the text is clear and easy to read. The ID card option is optimized for scanning both sides of an ID card onto a single page. When you are ready, click the scan button to begin the scan. If you wish to scan multiple images, place your next item on the scanner glass. Then click Add Scan. Selecting Add Scan does not erase the original scan, it simply adds the new scan to the group of multiple scans. For multiple scanned items, you can drag and drop the scans to rearrange and reorder them. If you would like to delete a scan, select the scanned item, and then click the gray trash can icon to the lower right of the scan image. If you want to begin a new scan entirely, select New Scan in the top left of the screen. This will erase the current scanned items as well. To adjust your scans, above the image you can select Edit and Auto Rotate. If you have activated HP Plus, you can also select Redact, Scribble, and Text Extract. The Edit option allows you to crop your scan and adjust the look of your scanned item. The Redact option allows you to remove certain items from a document. This can be handy for removing sensitive or personal information from documents such as bills. The Scribble option allows you to draw and write on your scan. This can be helpful for signing documents before sending or saving them. You can also save signatures using this feature. The Text Extract option allows you to pull all of the text out of the scan and edit it. The Auto Rotate option automatically detects the correct orientation for scanned images and flips the image to be right side up. To save the scan to a folder on your Mac, click Save. Change the file name, file type, and compression settings and then click Continue. Select where you'd like to save your scan on your computer and click Save. To send your scan by email, upload it to cloud storage, or share via AirDrop, click Share. To print your scan, select Print. Selecting shortcuts allows you to automatically update your scan based on previously saved settings. This function can be set up by selecting the Shortcuts tile on the HP Smart Home screen. To send the scan via fax, click Mobile Fax. HP has recently updated the scan process for Mac computers to create an improved and streamlined experience.